Hello STEM engineers. Today I'm just making a quick video on how to insert images into your slides for your All About Me project. This is how to insert pictures from Google. So maybe you want to look up pictures of your elementary school. Maybe you want to look up pictures of your favorites. So this is probably the most straightforward way. So I'm going to start in Google and I'm going to click Images. And I'm on my slide that I'm going to work on which elementary school I went to. So I'm going to pretend I went to Cascade View. So if I go to Google Images and if I type Cascade View Elementary, make sure you choose Tukwila because there's probably other Cascade Views out there. You'll see a whole bunch of pictures of Cascade View. And I'm going to choose this one because that is a good picture of the front of the building. So once I'm on my picture, you can do this a couple ways. If you're on a Chromebook, you can right click or you can do a Control-C. I'm going to right click. Right click is two fingers on the mouse pad at the same time. I'm going to click Copy Image. And now I'm going to go back over to my slide, on my spot where I want to put my picture. And I'm going to right click again, or you can do a Control-V. And that will paste your picture. And then you can pull on the corners, you can make the picture bigger, you can make the picture smaller. So then you can mess around with how big you want the picture to be. I would not make it the entire screen because you want to be able to see the text. You also are going to be able to decide if you want this picture in front of things, or maybe you want it, like, see right now it's covering my words. I can change this and I can put it so the words are in front of it. So if I right click again, that's two fingers on your mouse. It gives you an option where it says order, and I can send backward and it puts it behind things. Now I'm going to undo that because I actually don't want that to be behind my shape. But again, if you do two fingers on your mouse, that's the right click, and click order, you can figure out where you want your picture, if you want it behind the words or if you want it in front of something. So that's another trick you can do when you decide where you want your picture and how you want your picture to look. So that's to help you to insert pictures from Google. Hope this video helps.